Hey everyone, back at it again. Week 4. Holy moly, can't believe it's been 4 weeks already. Um, we're gonna continue our poetry unit. Just build our knowledge about poetry, how to break it down, how to annotate it, how to um, just see poetry for what it is and not just a bunch of words on a piece of paper. So this first assignment, we're gonna break down a small poem by Tupac Shakur. I'll just read the instructions for you. Like I said, we're going to continue our poetry unit this week. We'll be looking at several different poems, different styles, and different authors. For this assignment, I want you to read The Rose That Grew from the Concrete by Tupac Shakur and then answer the questions that follow. So here's the poem. It's short. It starts here, and that's it right there. That's it. I just have this picture just to give you like a representation. But here's the poem. It's short. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is that right? Yeah, 8 lines. Um, it's really simple. If you don't know who Tupac is, you should. But if not, he was a famous rapper back in the late 80s, early 90s. From the West Coast, California. He sort of grew up poor and homeless and then made his way to being a platinum selling artist um, until he passed away in 1996, I think. But anyway, it's a powerful poem. Read through it and answer these 5 questions. The first one being, what is the overall mood of the poem? So we're looking at the mood. How does it make you feel? Does it make you inspired? Does it make you sad? Um, how does it? What's the mood? Like what feeling is the poem radiating towards you? Next one, what does the rose symbolize? So we're looking at what the rose could possibly symbolize. And that's up to your opinion. I want to know what you think the rose is symbolizing. Why is a rose why is a rose growing from a concrete such a powerful image? So again, it's your opinion. Why is this rose growing out of the concrete such a powerful image? Like what could be so powerful about that? What's like the secret meaning behind it? Number 4. Tell me about a time when you felt like a rose growing from the concrete. And again, I don't want to give away too much because then it's just going to make it too easy for y'all. I just want you to have fun with that one. Tell me about a time you felt like a rose growing from the concrete. Use your ability to read the poem, decipher it. What is Tupac really trying to tell you about a rose growing through the concrete? And then take that and apply it to the question. When have you felt like a rose growing from the concrete? Last but not least, number 5. What message is Tupac trying to tell his reader? Yeah, there we go. I'm gonna leave that one as is. So there's the first assignment. I want to, excuse me. I want to say 2 more, maybe 3, and we'll just slowly work our way through poetry, and we'll go from there. Bye, y'all.